In this video, we will learn how to fix Google Chrome not working or not responding. For this, select Google Chrome icon, right click on it, go to properties, under shortcut here, click on open file location. Now find Chrome application. See Chrome, type is application, select this, right click on it, click on rename. Now put hyphen in front of Chrome ex.exe file, rename it Chrome hyphen.exe, refresh the page. After refreshing the page, again select this file, right click on it, rename it, remove the hyphen. Now again select this Chrome file, right click on it, click send to option, click send to option, here send to desktop create shortcut, choose this option. Now a new Chrome icon has been created on desktop, close this file. See, new Chrome icon has been created on desktop. Delete old Chrome icon, use this new Chrome, it is working. See, Google, now Chrome is opening and responding. That's all in this video, guys.